Hello everyone. Today I will share the recipe of chicken pizza. How to make it in a simple way at home. Ingredients for pizza base: refined flour, that is maida, 2.5 cup, lukewarm water 1 cup, lukewarm milk 1 cup, yeast 1 teaspoon, salt a pinch, sugar 1 teaspoon, white oil 1 tablespoon. Now for toppings: bell peppers, red, yellow, green, onion, green chilies, oregano, the herbs, pizza sauce, cheese, mozzarella if you are having, okay, if not, simple cheese, and cooked chicken. Now I will show you how to make the pizza base. In a small bowl, take the yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar, and little warm water is added. Then keep aside for 2 minutes. After that, it becomes ready to mix with the maida. Now in a utensil, take 2.5 cup maida and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add the yeast. Mix well again. Add little white oil and mix it again so that there is no lump formation. The dough is now placed in a greased utensil. And cover it with a damp cloth for fermentation. We have to keep it near about 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, we'll see that the dough is now ready for making the pizza base. From this dough, we can make 3 pizza base. 3 big balls are cut and then it is rolled into a circle form. That is the shape of a pizza base. In a metal tray, we have to sprinkle little maida, and before placing the pizza base on it, just prick it with a fork. It will help in making the pizza base soft. give a proper round shape with the help of your hand, and the metal tray is now ready for baking in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the toppings, these vegetables are cut and the cheese are grated. So pizza base, when it's ready, it is spread with the sauce, pizza sauce. After taking out from the microwave oven, the pizza base is spread with the sauce, and one by one the toppings need to be arranged. So all the colorful bell peppers, onion, and other whatever vegetables you want to give, like tomatoes, green chilies, need to be arranged properly over it. Now as we are preparing chicken pizza, so the cooked chicken with small pieces we will place over it. Oregano, the herb, is sprinkled over it. Grated cheese is sprinkled on top. And then again we can give a layer of pizza sauce. Now it is again baked at 180 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. Chicken pizza is now ready. For serving, just cut it into 2 pieces and serve hot. So here is our chicken pizza made at home. Thank you.